Floriana. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today obviously I'm in a bit of a different setup. I'm currently in my sister's room because it's got the best lighting in the house. However, even the lighting here is going to be a little bit ishmish because the sun's out and it keeps going in and out. So yeah, apologies for any sudden lighting changes during... The camera lens is really dusty. That should be better. Apologies for any lighting changes in this video, but today's video is a really exciting one. So today I'm going to show you all the things that I've bought from PrettyLittleThing recently, as well as trying them on and giving you my review that way. I don't want to make the intro too long because this video is probably going to be a long one, and let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna show, did I just break it? Is this, and this is part of like kind of a two-piece set that I got. It comes with a belt, but I took the belt off to try it on with another thing. It's this like dark wash denim skirt. You'll see it better on in the, you'll see it better. English. My hair looks really greasy because I've been touching it so much, but I literally washed it today. And it looks sick with the matching jacket. This is the jacket. I might even wear this tonight because I am going out tonight. Oh my god, she actually goes out. Wow. I am not too sure how to feel about this one, to be honest. I think it looks cool, but for some, like when I stand to the side, I'm not going to do it because it literally looks horrible. I don't want to put myself on the internet looking like that. When I stand to the side, it completely gets rid of my bum. Like, I don't have the biggest bum in the world, but this is just so unflattering on my bum. I don't know, I love the jacket. I think the jacket's really cool, but like the whole point of me buying this was for the two-piece set. I feel like I should have definitely got the skirt in a smaller size because although it looks good like this, I've had to tighten the belt on it so much. I would still give this a thumbs up because I do think it's really cute. Like the quality feels really nice and everything, and like it looks cool on. I just think for me personally, it doesn't flatter my body the best. Where did the booty go? I'm trying to get a little like, what, but it's just not happening. I don't want to go out of focus. The next thing I got is this. Now I haven't actually tried this on yet. It is a black oversized boyfriend t-shirt. Got this to wear. Wowee, Patricia, that looks large. I wasn't expecting it to be this large, especially as it says t-shirt, not t-shirt dress, because I was expecting to wear this as a t-shirt dress, and it's looking more like a Halloween nun costume. Thank you very much. I'm now welcoming your newest Victoria's Secret angel. This, no. Okay, no, I can't even. This just was not what I was expecting. I am a box. I've completed my final form. I am now a box. So this was not quite what I was expecting. I thought, wow, yeah, nice big black oversized t-shirt to wear as a t-shirt dress. This is just like a box of material. If you were taller than me, or maybe like a little bit bigger than me, this would look amazing on you. If you had like longer arms, or you were just a bigger frame, like a taller frame, honey, go for it. Ooh, okay, next thing I got, I'm not sure if I'll try this on, so lucky you if I do. It is this. Oh my god, what have I done to it? It's this swimming costume. It's like a one-piece bathing suit. It's black and white, and it's kind of plunge on your tatas, so it does show a bit more tata than a regular one would. I really hope I haven't had any lipstick on my teeth, but I like that because it means I won't get really awkward tan lines, and it's really low back, kind of semi-cheeky on the bum, so it does show a bit of your bum, but not too much because I'm not about wearing a thong on the beach when my family are around. I don't know about anyone else, but just not really into that. It's got a bit that you can tie around the waist so that it like fits perfectly on your waist. It's super flattering. It's really thick, like it's really thick. I don't think it's gonna go see-through, and yeah, I really like it. And this was like really inexpensive too. I think it was like £20, £25 maybe. I got this in a size 8 if anyone was wondering. Everything I got will be in like a size 8. Okay, this isn't very interesting. This is what I think it is. I got these pair of like basic black jersey tight shorts that I thought I would wear underneath that t-shirt dress, aka a nun outfit. Sister Flossie. Hi sister. If you have a really short dress, a pair of shorts like this are perfect because if that dress coming up, you You're still going to heaven. These are just like the black cycling runner shorts. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these because my plan was to wear them under this in case it came up, but now that I'm not gonna be keeping this, I probably will end up sending these back. Something I'd recommend is to size down in these. I bought them in, I think, an 8 maybe, and they're actually like a little bit baggier. They've got a bit of space, so I would order them in a 6 if I were to order them again, but no, they're like really comfy, and stuff like this is such a perfect essential for summer. Ooh. Right, so the next thing I got is this strappy leopard. Yeah. Strappy spaghetti strap, which I love spaghetti straps, most flattering straps in the world. Crop top, just thought this would be cute with a pair of shorts, with a pair of jeans, I think I just got lipstick on it. Just thought it'd be cute with anything. I love leopard, and I've been on the leopard type for a while now, and I feel like it's only just coming in, and I'm gonna be one of those really anal people and be like, I was there first, but I was. So but yeah, I just thought it would be fun, a nice addition to my summer wardrobe. I also thought it would look sick with the denim co-ord set, so maybe I'll try that on together if it will fit. Very nice, very cool, I like it. This is the leopard print spaghetti strap top. It's really nice because these straps are actually elasticated, so they'll be a little bit more lenient on your... Or DOV is walking outside. Oh my god, I'm so glad I never did that. It's really nice. If I were to get it again, I probably would size down just so it's a little bit more tight. I mean, it's not baggy, but I would like it to be a little more tight, so my boobs are kind of like strapped in, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's really comfy, just plain and simple on the back. Put it with a pair of denim shorts, and it's just a really easy, comfortable outfit. So yeah, would give the top thumbs up. Why does that take so long to come out? Wait. Oh. Okay, this is not what I was expecting. I mean, they're soft and they're comfortable. I was just expecting a thicker, more sturdy material. I picked up a pair of shorts like this because I just thought the other day, my mum asked me to take my dog on a walk, which I hate walking. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I hate walking without the aim of getting somewhere, unless I'm with someone interesting and I can talk to them. I don't like walking. I don't like it. I like running, don't like walking, unless it's burning calories in the gym, thank you. So I thought I'd get a pair of shorts to just throw on in the warmer weather that are not denim, and like just really comfy shorts, you know what I mean, that I can still look shit in because I live in the middle of nowhere, so no one's gonna see me. And I saw these on PrettyLittleThing, I was like, oh my god, perfect, exactly what I was looking for. But they're jersey. Don't know how I feel about the kind of cotton jersey vibe. I don't know, I'll have to try these on and see how I feel. They're looking a little bit long on the bum, and I don't have a very big bum as it is, so it could be interesting. So these are the like jersey runner shorts. I actually really like these. They're really comfortable. They're really like flowy materials. They're going to be really breathable and comfy in the summer. They'd be perfect for just chucking on over a bikini with like a crop top and just going out. I got these in a size 8 and they fit me perfectly. So yeah, I probably would give these a thumbs up. They were super inexpensive too. I literally think they were probably about between £7 or £10. Next thing I got was this pink bodysuit. I didn't know when I ordered it that it had these mesh panels down the side. I thought it was silk all over, but I don't object to the mesh. Just have to see how I feel about it on. Here is the pink silk. Is it silk? Am I about to call it silk? 'Cause it's not actually silk. Or is it silk? I'd be surprised if it was. Bodysuit. I feel like if you were more dark skinned and you weren't as fair as me, this would be really nice, but on like my pale skin colour, I do feel like it kind of makes me look a little bit naked. And I'm not the skinniest girl in the world, and I feel like it kind of, because it's so reflective, it just... Do you know what I mean? I'm not really making any sense here. But it is a lovely bodysuit. Like, the feel of it's really soft. It's a really pretty colour. It looks how it looks on the website, apart from the mesh panels, which probably was just me being stupid, to be honest. It is really nice, but I just personally don't like it on myself. The thing is with these clothes, none of them are bad clothes. It's just whether I like them on myself. So I don't want to be like, they're rubbish, because this is not rubbish. I just don't personally like it, and that doesn't mean that it's not a nice clothing piece, because I saw it on this girl's Instagram, who I actually kind of know. It's kind of like I know her, but we don't like know each other, do you know what I mean? She's called Mina, and I'm pretty sure she had this bodysuit, and she looked amazing in it, and then I try it on, and it just doesn't work as well. Yes, fashion, sweaty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. These sunglasses make me feel like I like them. I've got a story time about a pair of glasses like these, but I cannot tell YouTube about it, so I'm not going to. Sunglasses like these are for ugly days when you just want to comb your eyebrows because they still show your eyebrows and they instantly pull you from about a 4 to a 7.5, and that's a solid 3.5. That's quite a lot. Not even makeup can do that, but sunglasses can. There you go, you are welcome. Next and last thing I got was, no, I'm lying actually, I got something else. So the next thing I got were these two things, which is a bikini. It's this really nice white bikini. It's kind of cheeky on the bum, not too cheeky. Yeah, it's that crinkle material that's really popular at the moment. I've tried this on and it's super duper crazy, insanely wow flattering. I love it. It's kind of high rise, so it gives you that if you've got an hourglass figure, which I say I do, but I don't know whether I'm just fat or whether I have an hourglass figure. I probably will never know. And then the top is just like this, really simple, thin straps. These tops are my favourite ever because I feel like they're more supportive on the chesticles. The last thing I got was this bad boy, which I just almost exposed myself. Last thing I got is the dress that I'm currently wearing. I will also include a try on clip of this. I always see those models on Instagram when they're like off work hours or whatever. I don't know what you call that. What's it called? You know when they wear like the straight neck bodysuits and a denim skirt or like a really pretty flowy dress? It reminded me of that and I was like, you know what, I want to look like a model off duty. I bought the dress and it didn't make me look like a model off duty, but it did make me look better than I do. This is the dress. Super cute, super girly. It's really summery. It's a really nice flowy material. It wasn't really the material that I was expecting, but yeah, it fits nicely. It's just one of those easy to throw on summer dresses for like if you want to go out on a walk or you're on holiday and you just want to be comfortable. I actually wore this on a night out the other night and I got home and I was so tired that I slept in it, and it was really comfy because like the material is so soft. So I hope you liked everything that I picked up. I'm really happy with everything I've tried on so far. Obviously there are a few bits I need to try on either again or just need to try on full stop. Oh yeah, another thing I got a pair of like white Calvin Klein sliders. So nice. I have all my social medias listed in the description box. I thought someone was coming in, but they weren't. I've got all my social medias listed in the description box if you do want to go and follow me. Subscribe and click the notification bell if you would like to carry on seeing my videos. Leave comments and requests in the comment section down below. Once again, I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, you sexy bunch of people. And I will see you all very soon. Bye! Oh my god, that just squirted. The straw's really hot, but the water's really cold. It's giving me mixed emotions.